Air cleaner. It cleans up something.
That's right. The air cleaner is used to get rid of tiny dusts in the air.
But why it's necessary?
Because clean air is needed when gasoline burns in the engine.
Burning gasoline. Clean air.
You need air when you burn something, right? It's the same with gasoline. Now, let's see how the air gets cleaned and flows into the engine.
That's how it works. By the way, why should it be clean air?
Actually, if you use dirty air with dust, the engine could get out of shape.
Doctor, dust stuck in the air cleaner causes engine malfunction, right?
Dust gets stuck.
That's right. There is a cleaner element inside the air cleaner, but it gets clogged while you are using it.
What will happen when it's clogged?
Idling becomes unstable. The engine may not run properly.
Dusts get stuck in this.
When the element is clogged, air doesn't go through easily. Then, the amount of air that flows into the engine decreases, and gasoline doesn't burn well.
What happens if gasoline doesn't burn well?
It may cause problems like motorcycle can't accelerate well, fuel consumption gets bad, or it gets hard to drive up a hill.
It won't be able to go up a hill. That's horrible.
So, in order to avoid that, you need to have a periodic maintenance.